Over the past few years, the workplace health and safety sector has received unprecedented global attention due to the impact of the coronavirus pandemic. Health, safety, and environment professionals have been at the forefront navigating the challenges posed by this pandemic. As regulations continually evolved, HSE teams in Australia and New Zealand gradually adapted to the new normal. However, these regulatory changes not only increased pressure on HSE leaders, but also affected the entire workforce, including employees and contractors. Today, Australasian HSE leaders face additional challenges stemming from the pandemic's effects on psychosocial issues and economic uncertainty. These challenges are furthermore compounded by the need to transform organisational culture, address ESG requirements, implement new technologies, and manage heightened cybersecurity risks. Furthermore, megatrends such as digitalisation, climate change, and globalisation are reshaping the landscape of work. Fortunately, advancements in technology and mobile work processes offer HSE leaders opportunities to enhance compliance management, foster a safety culture, streamline workforce induction and training, and report on ESG objectives. Now, these innovations also provide HSE teams with greater visibility into the activities of contractors and subcontractors, ensuring compliance and centralising contractor management. Today, I'll shed light on the latest research conducted by Focus Network around the growing utilisation of contractors and subcontractors in Australia and New Zealand, the associated challenges, and the key initiatives that HSE teams should prioritise in 2023 and beyond. Ensuring compliance across the entire workforce has become an increasingly challenging task due to a combination of factors. The surge in regulations, outdated manual compliance management processes, supply chain disruptions, and the lack of centralised contractor management have made it a significant headache for organisations. Primary research conducted by Focus Network reveals that 63% of Australasian HSE leaders consider ensuring compliance across the entire workforce to be their major challenge. Complicating matters further, nearly half of the surveyed leaders contract 10 to 45% or more of their workforces annually. Australasian organisations are facing hiring challenges, economic uncertainties, and the need for greater business agility, leading to a rise in the number of contractors being utilised. Our research has found that 53% of organisations in the region anticipate an increase in the use of contractors in the coming year, while only 9% expect a decrease. Now, these statistics highlight the growing reliance on contractors and the need to navigate the associated complexities to ensure compliance and maintain workforce efficiency. HSE leaders must carefully consider their contractor hiring strategies and implement effective management systems to address these challenges effectively. Australasian organisations are increasingly prioritising compliance and meeting ESG goals. However, achieving true corporate responsibility and compliance extends beyond internal operations. It's now crucial for organisations to ensure compliance across their entire workforce, which includes contractors and subcontractors. The lack of visibility into the activities of contractors and subcontractors can result in regulatory breaches, collaborations with companies that do not share the same values, entanglement in trade embargoes, and labour and social justice issues. Contractors also face challenges related to political instability or sanctions, navigating pandemic-disrupted logistics, ensuring downstream suppliers do not pose ESG risk, and addressing data security concerns. Our research shows that 63% of the HSE executives surveyed for this report indicate that ensuring compliance across the entire workforce is the foremost challenge currently faced by them, while 30% indicate centralising contractor management to be a priority. Now, this highlights the importance of HSE leaders needing to manage compliance throughout the organisation's entire ecosystem, which includes contractors and subcontractors, to mitigate risk and uphold corporate responsibility effectively. Psychosocial stress and mental well-being have emerged as the most prominent areas of focus for HSE leaders, surpassing pandemic issues which were dominant in the previous 2 years. Ensuring employees' mental well-being, creating an effective corporate culture, and reducing and offsetting stress are increasingly viewed as critical to organisational success. HSE teams are working hard to create greater awareness in this area and to improve managerial ability to address psychosocial risk. Managing psychosocial risk is a 2023 initiative mentioned most frequently by Australasian health and safety leaders. Our research revealed that 25% of Australasian HSE leaders stated that psychosocial risk management is their leading workforce management initiative in 2023. Other key initiatives included the digitalisation of HSE processes, contractor management, training and staffing, along with cultural change. Ensuring that contractors and subcontractors comply with regulations and policies is a fiendishly complex task, especially if they're distributed globally. Companies need a centralised way of managing all contractors and subcontractors, which gives them visibility on their safety standards and overall track record. This can enable them to collate and analyse all data centrally. This includes information on audits, certifications, competencies, and employees, allowing companies to be much more proactive in managing contractors and ensuring HSE compliance. Improving decision-making. A centralised contractor management portal can help to research third parties and their services. It can provide information on the HSE records, as well as results from on-site inspections and audits. This can help reduce contractor risk substantially. Facilitate HSE compliance. This connects contractors with risk and incident management resources and provides contractors with resources they need to drive compliance and greater workplace safety. Take a proactive approach to HSE. By using leading indicators to track approval ratings for safety regulation and safety training activity, this helps to predict future HSE performance of contractors and subcontractors. Standardise the contractor pre-qualification process. By screening competing contractors against a predetermined set of criteria, this reduces administration and minimises the risk of working with non-compliant contractors. Improve cost control. By eliminating costly manual processes, breaking down silos, centralising contractor management, speeding up decision-making and reducing risk. Manage site access more effectively, allowing only compliant workers to access dangerous or risky sites. So what we've learned from this recent research is that embracing technology and prioritising compliance are essential for effective contractor management within the workforce. By leveraging technology, organisations can streamline communication, data collection and analysis, enabling prompt identification and mitigation of HSE risk. This proactive approach not only fosters a culture of safety, but also instills confidence among contractors and stakeholders. Together, these strategies create a safer, more efficient and sustainable contractor management process, driving positive change for the organisation and its workforce.